Should you buy a ticket to Exodus Summit this year? We're here to talk about who should buy a ticket, who should come to the summit, and who can benefit the most from attending Exodus Summit 2025 Move Abroad Money.
We are the co-founders of Exodus Summit. My name is Stephanie Perry. I live in Bogota, Colombia, based on the Move Abroad money that I've made.
My name is Rashida Dow, and I live in Mexico City, based also on the Move Abroad money that I've made. We are hosting Exodus Summit 2025 this year in order to help other Black women and their families earn the money they need to move abroad and live the life they want to live anywhere in the world that they want to be.
You might already be feeling the push to go somewhere else, but you're thinking that money is the reason that you can't do it. So we're bringing in more than 20 Black women speakers who are experts at making money in a particular way to teach you how to make money that way. And they're coming to teach you how to make money, how to start making money. They're not coming to inspire you, to encourage you, to cheer you on. They're coming to give you the steps to start making money. So what kinds of sessions, Rashida, what sessions are we having in Exodus Summit 2025?
So we have sessions for a variety of different people. I'm going to start first with people who don't know what they want to do when they move abroad, or they have a job now and they want to leave it. We have some sessions that are great for someone who's kind of maybe, I don't want to call it starting from scratch, but let's think about it that way for a second. We have sessions about how to set up a virtual assistant business, even if you have no experience. Stephanie traveled the world as a virtual assistant, making her move abroad money was as a virtual assistant for years, and she supported herself. We have sessions for people who want to do tax prep, so they're doing seasonal work and paying for their whole year long living overseas and just working in the one season, tax season. Stephanie, what other sessions do you want to talk about?
Some of you don't necessarily need to start from scratch. Some of you already have a skill set that you know can take you around the world. You just don't know how to use it. We have a session on teaching abroad. If you're already a teacher, or if you are working in education in some way, or if you're a native English speaker and would like to teach people how to speak English, we have a session on teaching abroad. We have a session on premium course creation. You already have something that people ask you for help in, or something that people ask you how you did. How did you do that? Creating a premium course around that could give you your move abroad money. Our speaker is coming to teach you that. We have Arlen Hamilton coming to teach you about memberships and communities, paid memberships and communities. Black women are very good at creating community around a thing. Black women should also get good at getting enough money from that thing, making enough money from that thing to support herself, instead of seeing it as like just a drain on her time, on her pockets, on her energy. The community, the membership, the thing that you do out in the world should support you, should add money into your pocket. We're excited. I'm excited about that session, in case you can't tell.
Mm-hmm. And if you have a little bit of money that you want to leverage into a little bit more money, we have two sessions that'll be of great interest to you. We have Terry Ijeoma coming to teach about trading, to teach you how to make your money multiply. It's probably not what she would say, but that's what I'm going to say. And we have Adelia Borashade talking about how you can use the money you have now and invest it and get dividends and get paid regularly after investing the money that you already have.
Rashida's going to teach you how to calculate your number. Some of you are counting out the idea of moving abroad without even knowing how much you would need to move abroad. Rashida's session is going to be super helpful in you getting a number down on paper so that you know how much you need to make from one of these other things. And then my session is on YouTube, because YouTube is the reason that I can sell the things that I sell on the internet, right? My digital products, my membership, my coaching community. My clients come from YouTube. And if you're doing something like what we're teaching in the summit, like premium course creation, like freelancing, you'll probably also want to use YouTube to get your clients, to fill up your clientele.
But we haven't forgotten about those of you that have a job and want to keep that job, or want to move abroad with a remote job, because we have people who are going to be coming in to talk to you about how to spruce up your LinkedIn so that if you're looking for a different job, you are the first person that the recruiters are looking at. We have someone coming to talk about talk to you about negotiations, how to negotiate a better salary so that more money goes a longer way. So how do you get to that more money? These are going to be talks that really help you catapult your career. And we have one more under that category, and that is how to get certificates, easy to get certificates that will help your resume really shine and that will help you be a better candidate in your job search.
That's right. We have an Exodus Summit alum coming in to teach full-time pay for part-time work. If through your current or previous career, you have a particular set of skills that other people would pay you handsomely for, we have a session on part-time work for full-time pay, how to work part of the year and still be paid what you're paid for a full year's work. And we also have a session on freelancing. If you have some know-how, if you know something, our freelancing session will help you take that out of the hands of a traditional employer and put it into the hands of yourself, the business owner. Cut out the middleman, keep the money for yourself.
Yes. And we have one more session that we haven't talked a lot about on the internet, but it's a special one. We have a OnlyFans goddess coming in to help you. If this is what you want to do, if this is how you want to make money, we have someone who is successfully making money on the internet. And for those of you who are like, I can't, I could never, this is a 55-year-old mother who is out here living her best life confidently on the internet. Get into the paper, get into it. So if you've ever considered, doing a little something on the internet for some cash, she's going to tell you how you can do it safely, and how you can do it in a way that supports your life without having to be in hiding.
That's right. Okay, so Exodus Summit 2025 is all online, October 10th through 13th, 2025, of course. Get your tickets today at exodussummit.com. We're crazy excited about the speakers that are coming in, because we already know, since this is our 6th year hosting Exodus Summit, we already know that women are going to come into the summit, learn, execute what they learned, and then just be off out into the world, be able to live the life that today seems like just a fantasy, just a dream. And those women are no more deserving than you are. Okay, those women don't deserve it any more than you do. They're just women who are going to go ahead and put forth some effort. They're going to go ahead and try it, use the speaker's know-how, use the community and the support, and make progress. We want you to make that same progress.
Mm-hmm. So if you've been thinking that it feels like a good time to leave the US or Canada or the UK, and you want to go somewhere else, and you're wondering how you can get there, how you can afford to do that, how you'll be able to pay your bills when you're overseas, we have some answers. And you're going to hear those answers October 10th through 13th at Exodus Summit. If this is you, you should buy a ticket. We hope to see you at the summit. We already have 1,500 women signed up. 1,500 Black women signed up to be in community with each other and support each other on this journey. And we'd like you to be in the number.
See you. We'll see you there.
Mm-hmm.